Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you all must be taking very good care of yourselves too. Very good. So in our previous class I gave you some questions related to this chapter, Extraordinary Sickness, chapter number 15 of your books. Alright, so today we are going to work on comprehension related questions. And the question which I gave in our previous class was only for your understanding, ताकि आपको comprehension का हर point of view अच्छी तरीके से समझ आ जाए. तो I hope that the homework I gave you must have discussed those questions with your parents, and then you submitted your homeworks to your teachers on time as well. Very good. I am so proud of you. Also, let's start studying for today. Page number 69 of your books, English subject. Yeah. Comprehension. So you can see some questions which are given here. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4. And let's start studying them. It's a verbal discussion class, and today we are going to verbally discuss the questions and what might be their answer, what could be the answers of these questions. Alright? Yeah, so let's get started. Do small children also stay close to the places where they get food? Give examples. This is a very amazing question, or just basically we can discuss a lot about it. That do small children also stay close to places where they get food? क्या छोटे बच्चे भी वहाँ खड़े होते हैं जहाँ से उन्हें food मिलता है? आप देख सकते हैं when we read this comprehension extraordinary cichlids, हमने ये पढ़ा कि जो cichlids होती हैं basically they have long-term memory. They are very smart, right? They have some very strong, there was a particular word which they have used in it. They have some very complex behavior, and the pattern of their behavior are very complex, and they are very smart as well. So when they studied about their activities and the way they उनके lifespan के बारे में, they got to know about a lot cichlids के बारे में ना. तो यहाँ पे भी हमसे एक बहुत similar question पूछ रहे हैं. Do small children also stay close to the places where they get food, just like cichlids? When the researchers were testing them and when they're training them, तो after 12 days they saw कि cichlids की movement ज़्यादातर ऊपर की तरफ थी instead of going down, because ऊपर उनको खाना मिलता था, right? So the training उनकी ये ज़्यादा हो गई थी कि they were going towards the area जहाँ पे उनको food मिल रहा था. तो यहाँ पे हमसे उस क्वेश्चन के साथ रिलेट कर रहे हैं that do small children also stay close to the places where they get food? Well, yes. Small children love food. As their taste is developing, they come close to people who give them food, especially their mothers. They are active on meal time. They are very active, very hungry, very demanding, and want everything on the table. They love their dining chair and understand when napkin is put around, they will get something to eat. All right. Now moving to question number 2. What would happen if the similar research is done with crows, cats, and ants? Make any predictions. Predict करें, खुद से choose करें that what do you think. Now you have to use your mind here. You have to use your thoughts. What do you think? Predict. We can predict anything, whether if it is going to happen or whether if it is not going to happen. Prediction is something which is not meant to happen only. It can happen, it cannot happen, it depends. ठीक है, मगर आप predict तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं ना, तो predict करें. What do you think? All right, you all have to work on these answers as well. Now let's read the answer what we have designed. Ants and crows have food very sharp senses. Their senses are very sharp. They search food very easily. If such research is done with them, their search is done with them. They will easily identify the areas and places because their senses are very strong. Kitchen is the place where ants and cats usually search food, as they will get something to eat. Their senses are very strong. These cats, आपने कभी अक्सर notice किया होगा, whenever we are eating fish or whenever we are eating meat, अचानक से कैट आ जाती है, मियाओ मियाओ, राइट, स्मेल आ जाती है, the senses are very strong, they are very sharp. Whenever it comes to food, if they want to eat anything, they'll get to that particular place where they think they'll get food. Such as ants as well. अगर आपकी कभी suitcase में अगर कुछ मीठा पड़ा है, even if you put some sweet without covering it, you'll see after a short time ants get attracted towards it. Why? Because their senses must be very, very strong and very sharp that they attracted that smell of that particular meeta, right? Okay, now compose a different heading for this news. We have to compose a very new heading of this news, this comprehension जो अभी हमने read किया है. You have to think about it, and what do you think, what could be another name of this comprehension of this topic or this research? So we can name this comprehension Smart Cichlets. Extraordinary Cichlets तो वैसे भी chapter का नाम है ना, but you have to think about it. What do you think? Cichlets, intelligent cichlets, smart cichlets, extraordinary cichlets, amazing cichlets, right? Yeah. So these are the questions. I want you all to do question number 4. खुद से question 4 कीजिए. Try to understand it. Try to relate. Discuss with your parents. Discussion is very, very important. You share your ideas, you share your thoughts, and the conclusion becomes very amazing. ठीक है, सबकी thoughts होती हैं, अच्छी ideas grasp करें and work on these questions. Share your thoughts with your teachers through voice notes. We will meet in next class in written conversation. We will do inshallah. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and goodbye.